So now coming to the writing part, we are going to learn to write the sound B in our school agreed script. Yes, so this is the lowercase writing of sound B. So parents, please make a similar worksheet in your child's literacy notebook. Okay, so the first box is going to show exactly how we are going to write the sound B. And the first row will be of simple dotted patterns. The second row, we can just give them initial points for them to start writing the letter. It will help them in mapping the letter. And the third row has to be left blank for the children to write by themselves. And this is the drawing area where I would like the children to draw. I wouldn't want the parents to draw here. I want the children to draw in this area 2 to 3 objects that begin with the sound B. So children, now I am going to show you how to write the sound B. Okay, so we always start writing from the line. Okay, so I make my first dot on the line and I start writing. And for the sound B, I start with the riser going upwards. Yes, so we go up slowly. Okay, and we make a slant line. We go slant up, and now you take a slight turn and come straight down. Yeah, just like you came in the sound H. Yes, until here it is the same. Now you take a turn. Go up, again take a turn. Here is the sound B. Okay, let us write once again. So starting from the line, we go up, slant up. That's called a riser. Yes, we go up, take a slight turn, come straight down. Again, take a turn, and here you have to make a small round and then cut it. Yes, that's the sound B. I'll show you once again. Again, go up, slant line upwards. That's a riser. Take a slight turn. And we come straight down. Yes, now again take a turn, go up, stop, and then make a small round, cut it. That's the sound B. Now let us complete the worksheet. Yeah. So the first row is simple dotted patterns. So we'll simply trace on it. From the line, go up. That's the riser. Go slowly, okay? You have to join the dots. Come down. Take a turn. Again, take a turn, make a round and cross. Coming to the second one. Again, we go up. Slant line, take a turn and come straight down and take a slight turn, go up again, make a small round and cut. Yes, now coming to our third joining the dots of sound B. Okay, that's the third letter that we have written. Again, take a turn, come down, come straight. And then take a turn again, go up, make a round and cut it. Okay, now coming to the second row, simply going to join the dots. Now we understand the pattern. Yes, make a slant line. Okay, I joined it. Now from here I take a turn, come straight down. go up again, make a round, small round and cut it. Yes, come to the second box. Again, I join these dots. Yes, so that's a slant line. I take a turn, come straight down, take a turn again, go up, again turn, make a small round and cut it. Okay, again starting from the line, I join these two dots. That's my slant line. Now from here I take a turn and come straight down, take a turn again, make a round and cross. Okay, now this row we have to light it by ourselves. Yes, so again from the line, start always from the line, go upwards, take a turn, come straight down, then take a turn, make a small round and cut it. Yes, again we start here, go up again, slant up, that's the riser, come down, take a turn, make a small round and cut it. Yes, and again here we go slant up, that's the riser, take a turn, come straight down, straight line down, take a slight turn, go up again, make a round and cut it. So here is my sound B. Okay children, and then I want you to draw. Okay, Mama, Papa is not going to draw in this area. I want the children to draw in the drawing area few objects that begin with the sound B and color it also nicely. Okay, so this work has to be completed in your literacy notebook and submitted tomorrow. Okay, and throughout the week I wish that all the children should practice writing that sound at home. Yeah, so that you will keep getting better at it. Happy learning children. Bye.